Alright, what are we doing on the Dart today?
Well, I mean, I got some leather seats here, so as you can see, sitting in it every day from work and stuff, it gets pretty dirty, so we're going to put some leather cleaner on it and hopefully get some...
Yeah, right where you sit, it's the worst.
Yeah,
plus from the previous owner,
obviously they didn't really take care of the seats very well, because the previous owner, even when I bought this car, you can tell the seats were trash. I mean, there's a stain on the back seat that I can't even get out.
What kind of product are we going to try it on?
We get the Meguiar's Gold Class leather and care cleaner.
So we're going to do the cleaner first. What does it say? We got to let it soak in a little bit, kind of scrub the seat down.
No, it just says to spray it and then directly onto the surface, or use a towel and then just work it in and then wipe off the excess.
And then when we're done with that, we'll do the conditioner to help maintain the life of the leather. Preserve it. Let's see how much of that dirt we can get off of there. I'm using a generous amount.
Yeah, pretty dirty. It needs the excess.
Yeah. Just try and scrub it the best you can. Yeah, let's try and do half the seat once. Oh, that's taking that right off.
Yeah.
I can already tell.
Strong too.
Yeah. That's when you know it works. The backrest really wasn't that bad. It's just mainly where you sit.
Yeah. Well, figured I'd still give it a shot anyways.
Yeah.
You can tell right where the previous owner didn't take very good care of it, because this is stained in there pretty good. This is probably the third time I've tried to clean this seat too.
Well, what did that say? You might have to do 2 or 3?
Yeah, it said you might have to do 2 or 3 applications to it.
Oh, I can already tell it took a lot of that off. Wow.
Get the crevices. I mean, it already looks better.
Oh yeah, I can tell right away.
Here, a little bit more. I can probably stick some more in there.
You could probably do another application. And that side part is like
the worst of it all. Maybe put some up here. The sides of the backrest are pretty bad too. Screw it, might as well do the rest of the seat too. I mean, I don't know if I'm going to be able to completely cure this seat, but...
Yeah, at this point, because of all the neglect from the previous owner, the seat might be too far gone, but
I mean,
for the most part, it's getting a lot of it back.
If you're going to own a car with leather seats, at least have some decency to take care of the car, especially if you plan on getting rid of it years later. And obviously, you don't know what your future holds, whether you plan on keeping the car or not, but for your own sake, if you do plan on keeping
it's going to depreciate the value when they see that.
Yeah.
Unless you got seat covers on it.
Yeah, I mean, you can even see where all the cracks are on this seat here.
And it's like, if you got leather seats, you don't really want seat covers on it. You want to see the leather.
Yeah. And really,
you don't want to see it when it looks like this, though.
No. I mean, seat covers would help a lot as far as keeping the seat clean, but
it's just going to hide the nastiness underneath it. That's really all it does.
Not only that, it's hard to get seat covers that are going to fit real well.
Yeah, you tried a couple and they didn't fit too well. Not on this car.
Oh. I don't know, I can try one more, I guess.
Yeah, why not? I mean, it definitely looks a lot better though. That side is
the worst. I mean,
it's just the most rubbing when you're getting in and out.
Yeah,
so
that's really where I got to focus the most. I mean, even the
backrest. Well, where you sit down, I mean,
the backrest looks pretty good. I mean, it's never going to be perfect because, like I said, obviously the previous owner never took very good care of it.
Let me see that bottle. Let me show them what that is. Leather and vinyl cleaner. It definitely works though, there's no doubt about that.
Yeah.
And then that conditioner to help, just maintain the life of the seat. That's just the final step. We put that on there.
I mean, even doing the third one here, third application has definitely made a difference.
Yeah, wow.
But I mean, it's still got some darkness to it. But like I said,
It is not like what it was before. It's not even close to dirty as it was before. So
it's never going to be perfect anymore.
yeah. Let me see the rag. Show us the rag. How dirty is that? Whew. Here, hold it up a little higher. We got it in the light here. Wow. Turn it around. Let me see that. Zoom in on that. Oof. Yeah, it was dirty. That was bad. Now our final step. We do the conditioner. Go ahead, lay it on. That's almost like a gel too.
What's going on here? Why isn't it getting come out?
It might be out almost.
No, there's a lot in here. There we go. It's like, there we go. Might not be able to hold it at an angle.
That stuff is like, it looks almost like a gel.
Yeah, you can't hold it at an angle, otherwise it doesn't suck it up into the tube.
That's probably enough anyway.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Should read what this says too. What does it say to let it sit? This is the same stuff. Yeah, this is leather conditioner.
So you can just apply it and wipe it off right away.
Yeah, that's all it says.
It's gonna feel weird though. I remember last time we did this, the seats, they feel weird.
Yeah. It's like it's more slippery, like a real smooth texture to it.
It definitely looks better. I mean, you can very kind of faintly see on the side the worst part where it was.
Right here.
But yeah, but for the most part, it looks almost like a brand new seat.
Yeah. I mean,
It definitely brought back its life, you know, a lot of the life, I'd say.
as long as you do this, you'll keep the seat looking fairly decent.
Yeah, and I mean, even if you do it maybe another couple times,
Yeah, I probably could. I
you
mean,
could probably get it really close to back to factory look.
yeah. Tube on this isn't the best.
Probably something you want to do and let it sit overnight.
Yeah, I would
Let it fully dry.
Yeah, because the seat's still wet. I mean, this stuff's gonna dry.
It's like it's got to soak in
Yeah.
to the leather.
Because I mean, even using a dry towel, it doesn't matter. It's still gonna be wet for a little bit at least.
How's that? How's that rag look?
It's dirty and very wet.
It definitely
seen
it
better
definitely
days.
did something. I mean, look at the rag. I mean,
Yeah,
you can't make that up.
this rag has definitely seen better
That was a
days.
new rag.
Well, that rag is gonna be garbage now.
Yeah. Come in here and I mean, that was the worst spot, and you could still kind of see it, but it's not near as bad. I mean, the rest of it looks a lot better. Looks almost like a brand new seat was just put in here. I mean, minus this edge, because that's the worst part.
Yeah.
That's where you're constantly,
I mean,
your
kind
legs are rubbing on it, getting in and out. So,
Yep.
but that cleaner definitely did a lot.
Highly recommend it.
Yeah, job well done.